channel. Anyways, in today's video, I'm gonna do like get ready with me because one, I washed my hair yesterday and now I look like a freaking lion. So I'm gonna do something about that. And then two, feel like putting makeup on. I don't know, I don't really have a reason, but I'm wearing this really cute shirt that says Honda on it that I got from Forever 21, but I'm gonna start off with my hair just because I want to get it away from my face. Ow. And I think I'm just gonna do like a pretty weird noise. But I'm gonna get some hair. Okay, I'm just gonna do I have a half down type of look. It's probably too tight and I'm gonna get a headache later. But for now, it's okay. To start off, I'm gonna spray my face with this Evian facial spray. Don't know if it does anything. It's basically just mineral water. But I got this because I saw it at Marshall's and it's only $8 and like 2 of the baby ones are like 20 bucks and I was like, no thank you. When I first got this, I hated it because it was very hard and like, I wouldn't say wax, maybe that's the term, waxy, but it wasn't like creamy or smooth. But I've learned to like it and tolerate it, and it's not that bad now that I used it. I think it was just the first, my hands are so slippery, I can't open it, first layer. But I heard that the other brow pencil they have is a lot better. Wow, my hands are so slippery. Okay, I'm sorry that was nasty, but I couldn't get it. My hands are just slippery. I'm in the shade light brown. Actually, I don't even know if this is my... I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and then I'm gonna use my L'Oreal True Match foundation. You know, when I first bought these two, I hated them, but I just used this again recently, and I actually like it. And I just used this one again. I don't hate it anymore, but it's like I never reach for it. Ew, I hate putting foundation on the back of my hand. Oh, a lot. Scoop some of that up. Okay, I like this one, how it has like a little spatula. Okay, they're basically the same color, but the L'Oreal one is more pink. Took my dogs out a couple hours ago so they could use the bathroom, and I like picked up all their toys, and they're so spoiled. They probably have at least 100 toys, not even, probably like 30, but they have a lot. And one of my dogs is obsessed with like the little squeaky balls, and so he has like 4 of those, or I guess 5, because I have a pineapple shaped one I bought him for his birthday. But he's just chilling on the couch, and like I hid them. I like put all his toys and I hid those at the bottom, and I don't know if he just dug through his toys because he noticed to put them all away. But he found it and he's chilling. I don't like this concealer. I'm sorry. Everyone loves it. It's just so thick. But because I'm out of my trusty concealer. I heard this is like a dupe for each other, but I don't know. It's not as thick as the Tarte one. Man, this sucks. I'm out of concealer. Not really, but one of my favorite concealer. I think it's this one. Which, I mean, it just literally enlarges my pores. X marks the spot. I never do this, but I see a lot of people doing it, so I want to be try it. I don't even know what I want to do with my eyes. Like, I've been obsessed with the Adeline and Tarte palette. I know I'm going to use her highlighter because that is so pretty. And I've been loving the James Charles palette lately. But then I have so many other palettes. Like, I don't know. I'll probably just use the James Charles because they're blush. I'm going to use my face. Baby Love blush. This is the only blush I own. Like, that's like an actual blush. I have like blushes and like makeup eyeshadow palette, but I don't even really like blush, and this one doesn't really show up. So like, it's whatever for me. Sometimes I wish I was tanner just so like certain like makeup could show up, but then again I'm like, do I really want to go out my way to like get tanner because sun's bad for you? Don't get tan from it. And then I'm just a pasty person. These eyelashes are so pretty, but I'm not gonna put any on because I still suck at it. But I might put on mascara. For highlight, I'm going to take the Adeline Promise Ring highlighter because it's so pretty. Oh, look at this glow. Instantly. Instant. I love highlighter. I think this is my favorite makeup product I have besides like eyebrows. I'm just going to take this It Cosmetics fluffy brush, and I'm going to take this orange and red shade and another orange shade and just mix them all and just put them in the crease. Okay, now I'm going to add more of that brighter orange. And then I'm going to add some of that yellow that's in the palette too. And now that my eyelids scream summer, I'm going to add some pink. I'm going to take this fluffy Wet n Wild brush and I'm going to add that hot pink. And now for the bottom part of my eye. Dang, what brush am I going to take? I'm going to take this brush and add the dark and bright orange mix those two together and put it in my blower. I realized all my eyeshadow palettes, they have the same colors. Orange, pink, and yellow. I have so many palettes with that. But I don't care because those are my go-to like color schemes. Okay, that is it for the eyeshadow part of this. And I'm gonna go back to my Adeline palette. And I'm gonna go back to the Promise Ring shade highlighter, what you gonna call it. And I'm gonna put them in the corner. I was gonna say that's it, but I always forget to put on lipstick and lip products. I'm gonna put on shadow. Probably not high, but I hope it's not like, it's probably like 220, but I have no idea. Okay, anyways, for lips, I've been loving this Maybelline nude lipstick in the shade Nude Embrace. Oh, I just broke it. I guess that's what I get. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna have to clean that. Don't even know where, like, oh, that's so sad. Okay, wow. I was gonna say I love that lipstick paired with Milani lip gloss and the L'Oreal lip gloss, but I'm just gonna put on my Milani lip gloss and call it a day because that just happened. Like, it's not broken, it's smeared and it's hairy. Except a lot of dog fur. But I'm gonna clean this and yeah. That's nasty. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. Oh, wait. I'm gonna set my face before I forget. I'm using my Wet n Wild coconut setting spray. It smells literally summer. Like, that's how I describe it. It smells like, it reminds me of my childhood going to like Six Flags, going to the water park and stuff. Okay, anyways, this is the makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, even though it's like super long, but I promise I'll like shorten it. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe, that's down there, subscribe, and yeah, catch you.
Okay, it's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cards and they all